evening, I'm Emmy, John's daughter. Most of you loyal fans will know exactly who I am. I pop up every so often when I'm visiting, so I always like to pop in and say hello and thank you all for watching the show. Big special thanks to Carl Wilson, who was in my restaurant in Edinburgh a few weeks ago and wrote some lovely things about me and my team, so I just want to thank Carl and his son for your kind words. I really appreciate them. Also, just to remind you all, if you want your name in the bucket with a chance to win one of Double Boost's fantastic prizes, you've got to send my dad an email to this email address and he'll pop you in. So as ever, have yourselves a lovely show. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in. See you all again soon. Bye!
Right, ready to go for real now. It's amazing how quickly it actually gets towards this end. It seems to speed up. Now we'll do a disengage the clutch once it gets past there. Wind out the cross slide, full turn, reverse the lathe and take it back to the beginning. Right, so it's cross slide back into zero, cut on with the compound, start again. Bent down mostly, get into the job, if you don't sort of pulled out. So it's out one full turn on the cross slide, reverse the lathe, push back twice as fast as it goes forward, just the way the switch is set up. Cross slide back into zero, feed on with a compound. A little bit of oil, nail back and forward, on it goes. Now we're going to go for a try fit. I'll have to take the tailstock right off to be able to get the length to get the piece in here where it'll come right off. Oh, yeah. Everything I do is either dirty or heavy or dangerous. Or all three. I'm pleased I stopped when I did. It's going on but it's tight. And obviously the threads are worn in here. They look pretty good. Back together. One or two more passes, then we'll try it again. That's better. It's starting to be, it's a real good fit when it's in the bottom of the nut where there isn't that much wear. That's alright, that'll do the job. That's the way it's supposed to work. Unfortunately that's not the way it did work. We'll now go back and see exactly what happened when I tried to cut the screw thread. This is actually a different bit of bar. A friend of mine cut that thread for us on his CNC lathe. He's got a button that's called double boost out on his SNNC lathe, and I'm very grateful. I've actually found a brand new 1/8x7 Whitworth tap. I've tried this into the socket, it's a good fit. When I tried onto here, the pitch is wrong. The pitch looks good on the thread gauge, but it's not right. I've set the lathe up exactly as the chart said, the correct gears. All the gears in the right places, and it hasn't cut 7 TPI. It's cut nearly 7 TPI, but nearly is not good enough. So I don't know quite what to do. Obviously I've scrapped that piece of bar. I think possibly make another one, but use a metric thread and make a metric adapt that to go on the end. I'll have a word with the lad who owns it and see what he wants us to do, but that's no use at all. If I took some off it would screw in, but it's not right. It's nowhere near right. Bloody annoying. Well, there's a little bit of work on it to that. Get out. I've turned the threaded shaft round in the collet chuck with a smaller collet in. It's running nice and true. What I need to do now is machine this down. It's going to be shortened, but I'm going to leave it that length so I've got a little bit of material to play with. And I need to make it so this gear is a press fit. A couple of throw interference fit will do for me. That then gets pressed onto there, and it's going to be pressed onto a certain depth up to there. Then I'm going to probably drill through the shaft and the gear in two places and put two 6mm grub screws in to lock it on. I'm not going to weld it on, because once it's welded on, it's welded on, that's it. So I'm going to do it that way. First thing to do is to accurately measure the bore. The bore appears to be good. I don't think it's been running loose. So we'll measure the bore. I'm going to work an imperial on this particular part of the job. Measure it with a trusty caliper first, just so I get somewhere in the ballpark. The imperial. .1285. Right, we'll measure it with a clamp. You get 1.130. So we tend to trust the micrometer more than I would. 1.130. So we want 1.132. basically want 40 thou off here. Right, this is a 15 thou cut. We need to do that 10 thou of it. That's basically a little bit on the slack side. It's not what I wanted really. I bowled it back out to Fanny's hair. That's dead on size there, and that one is two thou bigger. So that is the diameter I want there. So the gear should go onto that part there, which it will. Just about. The gear fits on there, but it won't go over that lip there. Not taking much of it all, that's the carbide tool, it's doing alright. No heat in there at all. Yeah, happy with that. I'm just going to put a very light put on here just so the gear's going to lead if you want to. Little chamfer. I'm also going to put a centre drill it at the end of here. I might as well, it's in the lathe, you never know, I might need to remachine the shaft at some time in the future. It's easy now to put a centre in. I've had quite a few people asking what this sticky stuff is. It's that Rocall RDT cutting compound mixed with a little bit of WD-40 just to make it a little bit thinner, as it is quite a thick paste. Works very well, very economical as well.